Bane mukalaba. Even belief.
Yes, teacher.
Mujja kubyetaaga obiwandiika n'okubikozesa. So etteeka eryo lye likola ki? Lye litufuga. So olina okulikwata. Whether you like it or not. That's it. Another one, Posy. We have cookie. Movie. Movie. Abalabi ba movie. Movie, you see? Kubanga mu kusooka waliyo ki? Mu kusooka the E sound that you're hearing, there is a different consonant sound, not the C. That's why we decided to use the EI. Sorry, the IE, not EI. EI only works when there is a consonant sound of S before that sound E. Tuli ffenna. Mujja bifuna mpola mpola. Now, tweyongereyo. You're going to spell words here. Some words, eh? Kansuubire nti mweteeseteese. Are you ready?
Yes, we are.
Wonderful. Yeah. I'm going to choose. So now when nkulondera, just be ready to give the answer. I want someone to spell the word eagle. Eagle. Teddy. Spell the word eagle. Remember, we're under the long E sound. So obongo bina kwetololera. Don't think outside this. Right? Whatever you're spelling, just make sure that there is that long E sound somewhere. So the word is eagle. But listen. Bw'onoowuliriza, you'll get it right. Eagle. Eagle. Teddy?
Eagle. Yes. E. It is E. Go. It is E. It is E. I. E. No. Okay. Yes, it is I. And G. Eagle. And G.
Angie?
G. O.
Like that. Like this?
Eagle. Yes, teacher.
Is she correct?
No.
Bagambye nedda. Ne computer yennyini yiye okugolola. So Maureen, can you tell us? Thanks for trying. Maureen, spell the word eagle. You always hear people saying, putting it to men. Men really have that eagle.
E.
E.
I. G. E. L.
E. L. You were almost there. Who else can try? Smile. Thank you.
Okay.
Smile.
Yeah. Yes.
You always hear
Eagle.
people talking of the men eagle.
E-I-G-O-L.
You're also almost there. Thanks for trying. Is Nachibu Nachibuka.
Yes, teacher.
Spell the word eagle.
Yes, I will try.
Mm.
E
Mm.
A
A.
G
It's G.
L E.
E. Even this one is right, but I don't mean this. Abasajja balina empungu. Abasajja balina empungu, really?
Balabika.
Maybe it is E.
Yes,
G-O.
yes, it.
E-G-O.
We're talking of men eagle.
E-G-O.
Sikategeera teacher, sorry.
Ego. Anti simbadde nkavvuunula. Nga mwe don't
Eagle.
listen. This is it. The ego. Era nga
Oba
bw'okiwulira.
nategeera.
Oh,
Teacher, mbadde nnakawa.
Omanyi ogamba ego like
omwana
ekiri
nze
empungu.
nkuwulira nga
Ekinyonyi.
kino basajja be baba nakyo mostly. Baagala nnyo okuwulira nga
Weebali bamaanyi.
bakabi nnyo, bamugaso nnyo okusinga ffe ebitonde ebikyala. Kakati bw'omulaga nti wa wansi nnyo okusinga ggwe, awo kaba kabweddemu n'empiya gy'azzikuba n'emba zikyuke.
Ng'azikuba ani teacher?
You! Anti buli lw'ogamba ng'azikuba ani oyongeramu amaanyi.
Ng'azikuba ani?
You!
Subhanallah. Iwo.
Kati akuba n'olusangula.
Teacher said she was for I. I put I kamama.
Said I put I.
Muli bayaaye baana mmwe. You say ego and you've spelled.
Yeah. You said E.
Go. Yeah. No.
But
All right.
nataddeko high. I put I.
Another one. Spell the word vegan.
Huh?
Vegan.
Vinegar, vegan.
Listen, Nancy, you'll get me right. Vegan. Jalia, spell the word vegan. Vegan.
I try, teacher.
Say let me try.
Let me try, teacher.
Ogenda tandika okusasula ssente buli kintu kyencorrectinga like 3 times. N'okyerabira ntakikozesa. You pay.
V. Vegan. V-E.
Yep.
A. G. No. I. V-I.
V-E-G-A-N. V-G-A-N. V-G-A-N.
G. V.
Okay, madam.
N.
Again? Beg your pardon? G-N.
V-I-G-N.
Oh, I've seen it. Thanks for trying. Trying. Patricia, spell the word vegan. Vegan.
V.
V.
E,
E.
ga,
Gai eriwa.
gi. Sorry.
Mulibayaye. It's gi.
A,
A.
N.
And wonderful. Clap for yourself and they clap for you as well.
Wow, mashallah.
Vegan. Guys, bagambe don't struggle much. Ng'onoonya wabweru wa kino kye tuyizeeko. I can't give you words right now that are out of what we have covered. Out of the topic. Bwe tuba nga tugambe we're looking at the long vowel E ne spelling patterns. Mukwano, buli lw'owulira E, don't think of the short sound E. Kubanga tuli mu kulaba long vowel sounds. Why would you bring in I? Huh? Zonna ze tulabyeko eriwo I ng'egamba E. There is no. So omanyi bw'okireetera era weekijjira mu bwongo manya nti oli ku luguudo lukyamu. It's vegan. Another thing that I want you to put right, guys, most of you, it's eno. Eno tekola G. Tetugiyita G ng'eri yokka. It only makes G ng'eri ne E awasemba oba ng'eri ne I. G. That's when it says the G. N'erinnya lyo it's G. G sound G. G. Bw'efuuka syllable tugaseeko E, I n'egamba G. Why G? Or energy. The G. Right. Another word. I need someone to spell the word